Hey everyone, guess where I am today? I'm at Legoland, yay! And it's really sunny today, so I guess I will have a really nice day today. Okay, let's go! And before we can learn anything about this part, we have to learn about Lego, and we can do that in the Lego factory, or in German Lego Fabrik. Dankeschön. Oh, a Lego break. Nice. What are you doing there? Why are you there? Why are you there? And he's spinning. Wow. Okay, let's write something. Also, I noticed I have the wrong filter on here. It's way too bright outside. I'm gonna change it now. No, no, I'm not gonna change it because I'm going inside again. Yeah, because I'm going to write Power Builder. It's a KUKA arm. KUKA robot arm, right? I don't know how it works, but here it is. Let's write it. go to the castle now. Because I want to ride the coaster, yeah! Coaster, coaster, coaster. Coaster, 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 coaster. Oh, coaster! Minutes. Nice. Well, that was fun. Whee! Yeah, obviously kids ride. Yeah, but it's really nice. And they have a dark ride part in there, but I wasn't allowed to film because it's a Merlin park. Let's go try some mummies! Yay! Score 13,800. Nice. Let's do something else now. Maybe the water ride right over here. Or I could do this one. Tiny canoes for children. That's so nice. I like this. But I can't do this because I'm too big. Haha. Okay, let's ride Jungle Expedition. Or as my friend from Know Your Coasters correctly would say, Jungle Expedition or something. I don't know. Ask Carl himself. Yes, his name is Carl. Not Merlin, it's Carl. So, we are not the same person. Remember that. I was singing Stones! Yeah. Okay, let's go look at some fishies! Yay, fishies! Fishy, fishies! I love fishies! Okay, I'm waiting in line now for looking at fishies. Yay! Oh no, no, no. I can see Carl coming. He's going to steal my chicken nuggets. I don't even have chicken nuggets. Why? Look at this little fishy. Oh, very cute. I like it. Oh, he's hiding. He's hiding in there. Hello. How are you doing? Jellyfish. There's jellyfish here. Jellyfish. Hi. He'd be eating the sand. Oh, a shark. Nice. I love these sharks. Sharky. I love sharks. Hello. How are you doing? Do you like chicken nuggets? I have chicken nuggets. Oh, by the way, I remembered just now. Khan is following me. Whoopsie. Oh no, car is following me.